bankas ni bully na primary level. Tini baka tatanan back in berni tosomay and bulani sasanga. Kausamay takatali tipo ike baka caregiver. Ang gami bully tanga na punonggo na may garabutun na bulani bingarabin ko. Kausamay takatali tipo kina. Kausamay dalab taltungan to na nung bisinisi. Kakenan ni pepa ngina sarabete ko mekina na bewasia na bongi ko ni ko na beto mana tikngana nongo bewasia okela no sa tekna tikmana makasawati episode 1 myth versus fact myth versus fact na ke bakamba kamo wakabitita kai na banana no endo tu mbaleta na garabin business na mana libuliba se maybe wanana no itu bembeleta na business ka ondo wasi itu kani patakena kandi na mona torum tanga baleta ngo bonga bekenda ndo batu ya ndo bagana nanu ya ona bite taleni biko na kena ka oroni kaya ela ko bata kena business ka garabati ko first one I'll share 2 again today, just like the last time. I'll was ni rua ni kono was talanga ni rua rona myth, but kena rona fact na kena bimbasa na daba na bakana ni tamatan dua. Dona myth go, I need to quit my job to start labor. Sa rete ko na ba madala ni business sala ko man roba kasa mole na ona daba mo na mengaraba kida na business ko. Ayo man to taka tumengo sa oda. How can I come and work on a business or take care of another business after my 9 to 5? So they really have to, they can't do this business because they just have no time. Vengo sara mena daka go sana gailande bayani na business ngore. O bandin takte ni labor do Tobati komen rabital no wawa manda ko manda so ko kema maybe kele itu ya wara kyo manda balilai o sana baru vengo ngango o sana gelite ke buyani ker erna no metiko era kona la ko mai kongo e sigin tono kono na mai duro rau kina na nonra schedule ni do na singa bongo be kema teke busar tunga nangona kema mi seta kata tukina okay in effect most people start part-time while working their 9 to 5 you can build this at your own pace that is a fact about this business kiona numatiko iko that you need to quit your job to come and start a business like this. I'm telling you now, most of us, including myself, we started doing this business part-time. This business is built in such a way that, you don't really have to come and attend it full-time. We think of traditional businesses, like running a shop where you have to go and sit there for a number of hours. Meron in dollar tiko na mo store, meron in tiko na mo business, na mo canteen back. Se na mo taxi back. Na mo tiko ni baya. Ito era ko tachinga mena baka na ngarabi ni traditional business, era mbita mai wana online business. No. Running a business online, komandanga na kena, kondo wasete kungo, you don't really need to quit your job. You can do it part-time. Start part-time. Lebu mantanga kema mena sa may tuilo man in business ngo, lebu ko sa may mbita tala na nonra full-time. Esa na nonra 9 to 5 job. Rasa mbita ya sar may full-time takatungo, but when they started as part-time. Rata kabati ko nga na nonrango nangalala nga raduro makatika ni kina business baka nga take check nga na automated system pa yung do baka madala takati ko balip na bunga na no kundo biwa city ko na turaran ko So if that's you gonna know matiko that you need to quit your job in order to come and start this business, then I'm telling you today a fact that most people start part-time while working their 9 to 5. So you can build this business at your own pace. Kila na kukatika you build it at your own pace. E pato search nga be ko na no bakatumbur na no mudidi bakano business. Sangani ndo anelawa be ko na daba moda kawa. What to do or when to do this, when to do that. No. When you come and start your business in this platform, and dito business community go, na bisinisi nomo, o iko lewa na kenengarabi, iko lewa na dhaba moda kabakina, iko lewa na ngona dhaba moda kabakina. How you want to do things in your business, it's totally up to you. Iko na may buli da kevina bay kamen balata na kenengarabi na business, iko nga intingitak na dhaba. Iko binakata mo apply taka and na no business meron ni vivikin. Second myth, halaka Sarah, I need to be online all day to make money. So man, I don't have time to do that. Marita lo siguro niyo online tunga bando. Tarna no mitiko ira merla kumay ramay tunga, may Sarah may tokangan tambi tokanga bananon ramatani computer, senanon telefoni meroni. Kaya ko tiba may nanon business me operate ko na business. No. Fact is, automation, automation runs the business for you, even while you sleep or spend time with family. Yeah, so that's a fact. That's the truth. We have a system in place that helps us, to run our business while we continue to do the things that we love, while we continue to spend time with our families, while we continue to, while we are working, while we are attending to our 9 to 5 jobs, there's a system already in place that we are plugged into where we book it to business and online space. So those are the two myths and the facts about the business. And again, before I finish off tonight, semberni wa mo detalani me bakanisa mbugile psatik mo wanua obi nakata me na mai we bakana no mitale weekend and a book ni irna scam se online. Just about 30 minutes ago, dona nungu ngone buli mai nonda. Ase no ngone buli saramai message mai ko mem bi mo ko ne tamba no mo account ngo bita mo ko ne tamba ngo gori nareda tikongor gori tikongor na profile picture na kengo tamba patake no ngone leo patake na cover photo ngor na cover photo ndo bakanga takati ko na ngo personal Facebook account avec mnela saba murio makati ko may niklatiko ni no sa min karab ng business ko kenda may uli na create tak na the business Facebook account na Facebook ng business Facebook account ko yaw live di kan kinango na Lia Bless Digital Marketing. Now I also have a Facebook personal account kongo ko sinong ko account makatunga me nang ono tekibu dalabe kinango Facebook iya ko ya kena cover photo tiko ko ngo kon account ngo kon tare de tiko ngo nyombi tika ni ngor bana screen ya o scam ngo ntana scam ngo sanga ko to mo kana ya bito mo kana ya bisu tak ngabalelo kana dangu ndon mitiko ilo masambite isau sanga mbite ilo ma kon last name ko tiko ngo personal account. And right now, followers already 991 followers. Hi and welcome to my business page, everyone. I'm an online mentor and can help you get started online investment and receive your profit after 15 hours. Gori. Dove na scams gori. Yeah. Bakang taka usang simberma dan yulenda lava sara na page gori. And I'm sure there are more photos of myself. Probably from my business Facebook page and posting it there. But look at the people who are already following. Something maybe, but I hope that you're not falling for this. Au ba vinaka ni reach out mine nango nangonele waya. Tono ko vinaka vale bo madam. Avole kasar ni buko buanto na vida $50. So oli ke obara rongote kumai. Iya vinaka ni sa kinda. So weekenda gaido kinda berai. Sabu ko chinela bosanda gaido kinda. Wa vinaka ni nangonengo ekile eu mai. Ekile eu tiko e redanga sa nanano ko message talam tamay biyaw. Balatani kero sa friend tik nga nanano ko kero sa friend makauti ko may. Gare talo ko nakyanan ko. There's another one that was sent to me yesterday. Dotale. Qori. Digitally frame. Reda na sembati baka sa tong ko profile picture ni ko personal Facebook account and my cover photo. Reda na followers already sa almost 2K followers. Usim kila nada barato kuna chika na page ngo sarna sa ngorir na friend request and we came here na send a friend request wacha sana take a message yani. That's something that we do not do and business ngo, you know, one thing I love about this business is that we do not bug, you know, we do not chase people. I just share the opportunity. Ando seti ngani na vika na balata na business o koya nga sa ungeti se sabina kata me tormene kala me mandikeva se sabina kata me teke bunanon o koya na ga reach out my via. But I don't go sending friend requests and start sending messages to people. We don't do that. Nindu sa vatikanya you don't menta kinda ko ko baka sungura ki ko etiko mai. Sungura ko etiko mai ko nga nanga indo baka murira tiko like sending follow-up messages or tagging them. We run sa Clara sa maybe they've reached out to me or rasa some of my non-membership fee rasa my member tiko in the business community ko lewana tiko. Otherwise, I will not touch you. I will not message you because the business ko payao ko yang bakasangang garantina tiko o kila ko na kila will find a way to get in touch with me and reach out my payao. So beira na scammers ratiko ngo andangaro ni binasar ka koni da sikalutu beira ka koni da sikalutu bana rorongo sene rai ni ka era da kabete ko mai ira na yala tiko yani da totolo tiko na rela taka tiko na be ka na sole yani be kemni. Don't fall for this so sa baleta sarangan rasa pinakatanga ba totolo na ka they don't want to work for the money dan niko baro rongo chiko banda turanga. You know, some of us we want success at the beginning of the journey. So ni bakango bakasora sala man business ngo rasara gitu bakmai. They want to be successful right from the beginning, but success comes at the end of the journey. Kwena ngelitiko mai ni sada the journey. You'll have to go through the journey first. Well, for those who are falling for these scammers, tukuna wirongo kwera korabina kata chona success before the journey. Ke baka minta baka tutu bata kamanda may na baka sama ni buli. Baka kamanda mo beli sali sa kamanda kana mo degree sa na mo diploma. So kwera sabi na kata mera graduate raw rangali na kabana kana buli. In university say be FNU say be no. No, you have to go through the studies first. You go to the classrooms, you go and do the assignments, all this. It's a journey. Likewise with business. We'll have to go through some process. Success. So if you are falling for these scammers, then and before I say goodbye tonight, I'll be Bishop Talibiki and another lata na free for session equal. Because nanito free for session equal. Two of our very own Itauki ladies, they also presented. For session host Jackie. Look at her, still very young. Jackie is still very young. She has retired from her job as a registered nurse. Revinto aseka ndaredanga ndakelana na mbakini bula, probably in her 30s or 40s. Sambita kwa na tunde because of what this business, did to her life. So, like, and here are other panelists, Ertana Waitabi, Redisa Chixarangor Mate Sartongani Tamba, Madam Miss Valele Bocarona Maramito Kerutikona, Ro panelist El Chiganikuwa, Robita and a friend for session, they're both living in Fiji. Miss Merseni, Matake Elisabeth, a retired teacher. Amongst these other ladies who also participated tonight. Tonight. But if you miss that, you can miss takana 10 takana na live session, Kevakao iko register mai. Iko na sarab na replay. But nangonongo seti ko na replay ko wait tabi chukani kinaro na maramongo. By when? Today is Tuesday. Wednesday, by Thursday, sana bisao na replay tino ebinaya baleta sana lako mayerto na wait tabi na next free info session, which is in 2 days time. But for now, if you want to listen to these ladies, became nisa register wati, check taka na email kwa la kwa ni kombio ni kina link. Ni na ronga da kina na nurto biwa siya orto na marama ya roti kwa kina na marama ito kingo. So that's where you can first come and listen and learn more about the business before you make your decision, whether you want to move forward or you want to stay where you are. Maybe you are comfortable there. But if you are looking for something more, you think you can still do more, if you think you are meant for more, come and check this business out. So, sureti kemunitiko, tatiko na replay, register. Nasa register wati ke ko tap taka na nungu link ko tiko ngore vake. Dona link tiko www.leabless.com. Baka nga ko tiko na screen. Di ko na tap taka na link ngori, it will open up this form. Kongo mona balewa ni kinana damo your name, your email, dona box, dona square lele toka raya. Kwa ya mo tap taka yani, balata me ko you're giving us the consent, Neke ni butika ni kinabi ko na emails and a link ni free webinars and a free info session go. Yeah, so that's it from me tonight. Ano itak ni nabi buken ano ko biwa sinikuwa wrong and myth kina factor waseti pendai wana na mikende tiko membaletir na scammers. Dayan ratiko asando reda tiko value berto no kuitoka ni business owners. Yes, how people fall into this scammers trap. Sarba ko tanilabo, but na scam sarba. Ngona ngarabe imbagani ni kina, ocha eksambita sarbe ko nilabo. Ngona nga ikompite kinila, but ira create taka chukmen na fake account Ira baka ngat baka kachukana, and they use our pictures. Kanga kem post taka chuko ira copy and paste ko. Ngona nga eksambita ni kina birna sende. You know what they do? Ira sa erase takasara, like they delete that Facebook page. O irna so swimming go rasanga bangara hey aibi yola to kono ngoni nambita maybe ona por promise takachuma nyote 24 hours you'll get how many thousands of dollars. Rangai bangara me na ya there. Naran bangara to me rasanga me sota bi kwendi na kwa ya na ya. The same picture. Gai kinda valo tamatandina so kwen ranandina yana kani tambandina sabu ken message so sarando poso pasayani sa lako sarangani laso iko tukuna nyana go yo ko sigani kilando naka o schema kwa bello steke mai sayal so yo then rabagiti ko ninta sabu kanga takachukuna mona libo takako ni modi. Me anda tingnan mona in the online space, online world, there are real ways of doing business. They are a legit way of running business. They are really legit online businesses. One of them is the one that I'm sharing with you. And there are also scammers or fake ones. And the problem and the tomboka. Na kena ko endina, wata kena ko lasso. And don't count the also girita. Video call. Sa andu I add friend ani biko sa take babaka message ani biko na besiwati ka ani biko na buko ni online business. Ka kwenye sikalo tutungan ba madala, make a call. You have the button there. You got your video call mo redana matan. Tabale bakan dua ke bakai selulumbale bakan rua bakan tolu selulumbale tinga sa nandon mo na kindab. Ko e bonita ki ko etiko. Hiding behind the keyboard, using a different picture as their profile picture. But kila ko ke bakai andro bire matan gore kuna redan tu atani tun tamate tamba chukumena profile ndo atani ko andro na bire. So I hope my sharing today is helpful and na be buka bin doni ko sabanu ni binakatikayani bikim ni todo ko na ni bingarabi maro right ko ng bula ni kalongata ni moave binaka.